What do you think? Huh? It's the Pacific Ocean. Alright, everyone. She's loaded up. Time again, another time. We got a little bit more than what we had before, although we don't have the tank bag. I'll tell you about that a little bit later. I lost that on the last trip. But anyway, I have a passenger. My daughter is going to be riding with me. Pillion seat, I think that's what they're called. She'll be riding right here. Got a nice little, hopefully this will be comfortable for her. Heading up to Big Sur. This has been our final destination for a long, long time. And just stoked to go. So it's about noon on, was it Tuesday? Supposed to be a beautiful day. Possible rain tomorrow afternoon, but we'll be heading back by then. So it should be an awesome, epic adventure through the back way to Big Sur, California, on an awesome camping trip. One little quick note, I realized my bike was making this noise, and that's an understatement. These little washers that hold the pipes in place were loose. The nuts came off. So that's what was making the noise, so I got those tightened up except for the back one. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the road. Alright, we're just going to pull over here real quick just to see how everything is holding up. Make sure we're not losing anything or anyone's uncomfortable. We're just going to stop right here and just give a check how everybody's doing. Just put this in neutral, set the bike down, shut her down. Alright, how's it going, Zoe? Everything seems to be holding up well? Yeah. Okay, cool. Nothing's flapping though. Every once in a while, just put your hand on this just to make sure it's still there. Let's do that. Okay. Alright. We're doing good. This is my daughter. Oh, I love you. Alright. We'll see you guys on the road. We're going to head up and get some food in a bit and gas in Paso. Alright, we just got a little breakfast meal here at McDonald's. Got topped up with fuel, so we are good to go. Got an extra, we just added 1.5 gallons. Going up into Paso, Nacimiento, and all that good stuff. Alright, we'll see you guys soon. Alright, well we just topped off with fuel for our last time. And now we are heading our way north and west through the to the military base. Everyone's holding up good, everything's strapped on well. We're underway. We'll see you as it gets closer to the coast. Alright, we are still kind of skirting Hunter Fort Liggett Army Base here, and these are the mountains we have to cross up and over to get into Big Sur. Just looking just absolutely beautiful today, and not a cloud in the sky. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. Hope the coast is just as clear. I'll keep you posted as we get close to the coast. Alright, well, we're not quite on the west side of the mountain range yet. It's getting a little chilly, so we pulled over and added an extra layer to combat the warmth. Daughter's got her, is that Miley Cyrus? Pants on, nice. Alright, so hopefully this will warm us up a little bit. Alright, we'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, well my helmet battery just died. I always do that. I take so much film before I even get to the good stuff. Well, here's a view for y'all. What do you think? Huh? It's the Pacific Ocean. Big Sur is right down there. This beautiful canyon we're going down the back way. The bike's working out real well. It's nice and warmer on this side. It was colder before. Say hi to my daughter. Say hi, Zoe.
Hi. You didn't see me. That's right.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're just thawing out, stretching out. We'll be down to the coast soon. All right, well, after the helmet camera died, we got to LimeKiln. Check out this site. Look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. gorgeous. Wow. Absolutely.
For a long time.
Ah.